Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel, you're highly welcome. So guys, today I'm going to be picking up the cargo, my husband cargo from Nigeria, the food stuff. Yeah, so I'm going to be picking it up and then I'm going to come back home and show you guys, or maybe I'll take you guys in a little bit of a drive. It's dark already, so you guys can see this is only just about 3:57, okay, and it's already dark, so I'll take you guys on a bit of a drive. All right guys, let's get into this video. Okay guys. First, then I'll show you guys the food stuff. Okay guys, so I'm home now. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay, subscribe if you are still watching. I'm sure you're still watching, so subscribe.